The biggest drama that is happening nowadays is not because of show business, but because of some people who used to be in show business. And yes, this person is facing the biggest dramatic challenge of his life. This is Alvin Ignacio, the diva that you love, and you are watching the Kitty Show, the Rayana Talakian Showbiz Edition. And with me is, of course,
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
Mare. What say you with the latest political scenario that Senator Jinggoy Estrada is facing? Strike 3 na to para sa kanya kasi pangatlong pagkakataon niya ng magkaroon ng kasong pandarambong. What say you?
I wasn't surprised because
Mm-hmm.
umugong na before pa naman eh.
Okay.
Diba? Umusok na before pa naman.
Mm-hmm.
Mas-serve ang warrant of arrest.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Kumbaga, may pinanggagalingan ang everything.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Ang ano lang dito, was it political?
Mm-hmm.
Was it judicial?
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Ano yung pinanggagalingan?
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Yun ang importante sa akin.
Okay.
Where is this all emanating from?
Mm-hmm. Well, as far as where is it all emanating for, I just really hope that the evidences that they have this time are solid, and that I'm not even sure. I don't even want to go there to what they're saying. This is so politically motivated, and the reason for why they're doing this is because of of another forthcoming case. Parang this is a game. The forthcoming case is a game of numbers, diba? So mabawakan yung isa na lang kapartido, mas maging maigting ang laban dun sa another case na paparating.
Ako naman, umahanga ako kay Jinggoy.
Kasi
Ay, hindi siya nag-drama.
nag-iiyak nga siya nung press, hindi siya drama.
Hindi, ibig ko sabihin,
Hindi siya nagtago,
Oo,
hindi siya
hindi-
nagpahabol-habol. Hindi
at
siya...
saka hindi siya nag-seek ng ano, from the Senate. Hindi siya
Yes.
nagpakup-kup sa Senate,
Oo.
di ba? Wala siyang dramang ganon.
Oo. Talagang
Tapos only
hinarap
to ano,
niya.
only to escape after, di ba?
Oo.
Wala siyang
Hinarap niya,
ganon.
ngayon ay kasalukuyang nasa kulungan na siya. Tama ba ako?
Yeah.
Oo. So, kasi sa akin, if your conscience say wala kang kasalanan at nananalig ka naman talagang wala kang kasalanan, tamang-tama naman talaga yung kanyang ginawa. It goes to show that he's really a gentleman. It goes to show he knows the rules of law. It goes to show that he still believes in the justice system.
That's the most important.
Diba? He still believes in the justice system. And not just he believes, he respects it.
Tsaka, ano,
Kaya niya hinarap.
tsaka, he was giving himself the right, the right decision na to prove them all wrong.
Saka, he's given himself the right platform to face this kind of music.
At saka matapang siya, sinabi niya, I will not, hindi siya titiklop, hindi siya magmamakaawa, hindi siya, di ba?
What I'm just curious about is that, sir, pangatlo na po ito. Bakit? Hindi ko maunawaan yun na pangatlo na po ito. Bakit? Wala po ba kayong nakatutunan?
Kung sagutin ka,
Antay ko yung sagot.
it comes in threes.
Kahit pa sabihin, it comes in threes, pero what cannot be denied is the fact that the reason na lagi kang may kasong ganito is simply because you have not learned from your past mistake. Diba? Parang hindi ako makapaniwala someone who is an economics graduate, someone who has served the Senate for so many years, someone who was cleared from his previous plunder cases, hindi nyo nakita tong posibilidad na
Scenario.
to, tong scenario na to, hindi pumasok sa isip nyo? And bakit laging ibinabato sa'yo ang ganitong klaseng mga kaso? Ano yung, hindi ko alam kung ano yung puwersa, kung kaninong kapangyarihan, ang nasasagi mo, nasasaling mo, kaya ang nangyayari, isa ka sa lagi napapag-initan. Kasi ngayon, nakakalungkot na, ang dating kasi sa mga tao, wala ka kasing kadala-dala eh.
Mm.
Diba? Ang persepsyon ng mga taong simple lang ang pag-iisip. Ang tingin, kasi naman po, kulimbat kayo ng kulimbat. Grabe kayo magpasasa. Kaya, deserve nyo yan. Bihirang-bihira, siguro this is periphery or his circle, ang nalulungkot. Pero if you would read social media, ang condemnation sa kanya, malala, di ba? Parang, totoo kasi sinabi mo, ngayong strike 3 na ito, makukulong na kaya siya? What say you, Mare?
It all depends on the evidences that will be presented in court.
Yes.
The gravity of the crime is dependent on the various evidences,
Mm.
di ba? And we are not
Privy.
privy to to the
What was presented by...
Oo, hindi natin malalaman
Oo.
'yon, di ba?
In the days to come, pag
Oo.
nagsimula na yung...
Yung pag gumulong na talaga yung kaso sa
Oo.
korte, di ba? In the meantime, ang maganda lang kasi sa kanya, full support sa kanya yung pamilya niya.
Yes,
Talagang
yes.
hindi siya iniiwan sa anumang
Tama
laban.
naman yun. Tama naman
Di ba? So, yun yung
Your
yung
family is
support system niya, medyo
solid.
strong,
Oo.
di ba? It cannot be denied na it was so strong. So, parang dun siya humuhugot ng
Lakas.
ng lakas,
And of
di ba?
course, sa legal counsels niya. Di ba?
Di ba? Tsaka, there are battery of lawyers to defend
Yes.
him, di ba?
Oo.
Tsaka, di kalibre mga lawyers.
Mm.
Hindi to putyo-putyo. So, kumbaga, it's a fair trial, di ba? Labanan ng ebidensya,
Oo.
labanan ng wit and whatever.
If he survives this,
Ah,
may political career pa siya babalikan.
ano na?
May political career pa siya babalikan. Babalik siya sa Senado, obviously.
Mm-mm.
Diba? Pero, will the people's impression of him change?
Alam mo kasi,
If he survives
pagka ang tao nakasurvive sa isang kaso, yung thinking ng tao naiiba.
Mhm.
Nag-iiba yun. Ay, kita mo, hindi naman pala totoo.
Mhm.
Halos karamihan ng voting public, mas marami ang mga hindi talaga nakapag-aral. No offense, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Parang that is the truth, di ba? Na marami talagang botante na they have not reached even college level.
Mhm.
So,
Hindi nila alam yung intricacies, bakit nangyayari to.
So, at saka, hindi nila alam yung the legal jargons that were used
Mm.
to make to acquit kung ma-acquit
Okay.
si Jinggoy, di ba? So they're not privy to all of that.
Okay.
Mm.
So, nasaan ngayon ang mga showbiz friends ni Jinggoy? Have they aired their support to him? Parang wala pa ako nababasa o nakikita sumusuporta sa kanya from show business.
Parang wala pa, di ba?
Parang,
At saka hindi
parang even his closest friends,
even his family.
di ba?
Yung family niya,
Yung the other families.
Oo.
Parang nag-distance.
di ba? May say ba si Era?
Mhm.
May say ba si JB?
Mhm.
May say ba si Jake?
Mhm.
Ejercito? May say ba si yung kapatid niya
As of
lalaki?
now, their mom about it. Quiet pa lang sila.
Wala silang
But yung mga closest friends
they do
niya,
not dip their fingers into
Oh,
that.
like yun si Philip, di ba yung mga close sa kanya?
Philip, di ba
Diba?
na parang die hard, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Or si pero nakakulong kasi, di see you in the kulong.
Mm.
Baka ganun
Si
ang
Bong.
drama, si Bong, di ba?
Mm.
Wala parang kasi ngayon, very polarizing kasi ang politics, di ba?
Yes.
Kumbaga, you just don't meddle with other people's affairs in
Mm.
politics. You just don't dip your fingers into something that you will be sorry about in the next few di ba?
Mhm.
Kasi politics is also about vengeance,
Mhm.
whether we like it or not.
Mm.
It's all about vengeance, di
And
ba?
politics is about survival of the
Mm,
fittest,
oo,
eliminating the unfit.
oo. At saka ang politics kasi is both subtraction and addition.
Yes.
You subtract the enemies, you
Mm.
add your allies. 'Di ba?
Mhm.
Ganun 'yan eh. Whichever wins in the end, that's the result.
Ay, ang taray.
'Di ba?
Parang political show na naman kami sa aming difficult round. Nakakaloka talaga
Oh my
ito.
God.
Ito po si Alwin Ignacio na inaanyayahan kayong manood sa The City Show na pinapalabas ng Sabado at Linggo alas 4 ng hapon sa aming Jerry Torado YouTube channel at sa aming Facebook pahina. Muli, sana po kayo ay mag-subscribe, tumutok at laging manood. Maraming magpaalam ka na.
Thank you to all our viewers. This is Alex Brosas.
Yes. And thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for joining our 24th season and happy Sunday to all.